Changing the language in a TripAdvisor app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to adjust the language settings to your preference. Step 1. Open the TripAdvisor app. Launch the TripAdvisor app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account for a seamless experience. Step 2. Access the menu. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the main navigation menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. Scroll down the menu options and look for the Settings option. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 4. Select Language. In the Settings menu, find the Language option. Tap on it to view the list of available languages that you can choose from. Step 5. Choose your preferred language. Select your desired language from the list. The app will automatically update to display content in the selected language. Now you can enjoy using the TripAdvisor app in your preferred language. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the app.